Good evening, MillRight CNC friends. I come to you with sad news from the home front that our beloved snail Jack has joined Judd in the big snail haven in the sky. So we're going to commemorate him tonight by making a grave marker on the Power Out Max out of a piece of 2x4. Little simple project, but it's going to make a little kid a little bit happier to deal with the loss of his pet. So I've got it set up in the Masso G3. I've got the 2x4 sitting in a vise. Just cut it to 10 inches and we're going to check it out. Let's have a look. So it's going to rough it and then it's going to go after a finish pass as soon as it's done. Last letter, you hear it's just hitting a little bit on the bottom. There's a little stock lead we had. And where it's milling the side there, this is doing a cleanup pass. Alright, there we go.